Put mashed potatoes to chop tomato, 2-3 chopped chilli, coriander leaves, Sibu veg cutlet masala as per taste. Salt to taste. Mix it well, add soya powder. Mix it well. Make a mixture. Make a round shape. Put oil in a pan. Shallow fry the cutlet. Sprinkle Sibu chaat masala. Sibu cooking tips. How many ways can you cook tomatoes? Ways to cook tomatoes: dry, fry, saute, roast, broil, grill, stew, and steam. Also make tomato gratin, stuffed tomatoes, and tomato soup. The tomato is a fruit used as a vegetable in savory dishes for its juicy texture and mildly sweet, rich taste. Help us to serve you better.